So one day, one of our teammates in our internship was explaining a topic in quantum computing in English, obviously in the Protean version, so that we are not able to understand what literally he wants to communicate. And I also realized that most of the AI tools we use on daily basis, like ChatGPT, Gemini, or other AI tools, for which we use like uploading a PDF and getting summary of it, so that we can understand what is the actual concepts in the PDF and what are the topics that we need to prepare. We just ask the ChatGPT and other AI tools, but it really becomes overwhelming when we try to learn them in the text format completely because everything couldn't be understand by just reading the text that ChatGPT has placed on the display. Now, this is where I realized that a new solution has to be arised, and I have researched on it and got up a solution that every every student who utilizes an application should have a personalized mentor so that they can get clarity about all the concepts that they learn instead of just reading the text phrases generated by the AI tool. Now, for this, I have used the white coding tools like Lovable and some of my coding knowledge to actually develop an application which can act as a personalized mentor when you give a PDF similar to ChatGPT. But this is a unique application where it can provide you personal mentorship on uploaded PDF, where you can even interact with the AI model to get your doubts solved. And this application helps the students a lot. Now, this is Pencil AI that we have created. Hey there, everyone. I'm Manisudan. Today, we are going to discuss about an AI-based application that I have created for solving the mentorship problems of the student. Now, let's see what is it. So here we are on to the computer screen and opening the browser. I have deployed the website as pencilai.simplify.app. And as you can see the interface of the application, as I have already created an account in this application, so my details are automatically logged in. And for the new users, you need to create your account using your Gmail ID and create a password for this application. The tech stack that I have used creating this application will be discussed later, or even if you want to learn about it, if you want to know how did I create the entire applications framework, you can comment down below so that we can create a new video on it. Further, for just now, we are going to see how PencilAI works. And as you can see the interface, it is just a simplified interface for users, as this website primarily defines that this website can be used as a document editor. So now what happens is sometimes the main problem that we face here when as a working as interns is that we need to document the learning that we have learned here every day. Now, whenever we want to generate a document or we need to write a document on our own, it takes a lot of time. So what happens is that it's time consuming, and moreover, we sometimes need to depend on AI tools for copy pasting the phrases. So for avoiding the copy pasting of the phrases, what we have done is just created an editor feature, just as you can see on the screen. This editor feature is powered by AI. AI is Gemini AI model which can generate the document completely for you. And this is what the editor the AI component looks like. When you actually try to write a document on suppose quantum computing and its future, and when you click on generate document, this application takes time to communicate with AI and bring all of your document in a structured markdown manner. Because as you can see, we are using Gemini AI model as it is a free version. We can use it for limits, but still it has some rendering issues which need to be solved. So as you can see on the screen, there are no rendering issues as of now because we have already structured the rendering manner of what the AI model has generated. This is the main thing of this document. And if you think the generated document looks overwhelming or complex phrases to understand, what you can do is just suppose I have the conclusion here, which I don't think to be extended as this much, and I just select these phrases. As you can see on the screen, we have improve, expand, and simplify. So if you feel that the selected phrase is small and you need to expand it, you can click on expand. And if I click on improve, so that I just want a small conclusion, and after waiting for 2 seconds, it has summarized the next version of what it has to be done. So this is how the document exporting works. And let's export this document. As you can see, the name of the document is also given by AI, so no need of any issues with that. So you can just save the document in this app. Obviously, it is connected with Susulpa base, so no problem when you save this document in this your own application, and you can even export it. And if you want any AI version of the lines, if suppose AI should be explaining any part of the paragraph and you want it in the exported PDF also, so you can check this option. For now, I don't need anything, so now I'm clicking exported docs, and the document has been exported as you can see on the screen. And moreover, we're just moving to the features of what this application have. And when you click on the save documents, as you can see just now, I have created a file named quantum computing, which is obviously 21st of June, and is the created date. And as you can see, all of our saved documents, which I have previously done during the testing phase of this application, I have saved these documents. And well, we need to actually see the templates that are available on this application, because sometimes what happens is you don't have more time to focus on how to be framed, how the content should be framed in your document. So for all these things, we have already given a predefined template, so that whenever you need what kind of template to use, you can use it quickly. And AI model also understands these type of templates, so that exactly the template is followed to render the structured content of the text. And this is also seen created as a document. And even this have a professional resume, the legal contract, research papers, business proposals, and everything. These are the obviously we have just integrated the four type of categories, because the main feature of this application is not yet discussed yet. So for now, we was just focusing on just displaying what is the main content. Next, we have the summarizer. So as you can see, we have the summarizer here. But the main unique features of this application stands by here. This is what really PencilAI is meant for. Now, as you can see in the summarizer document, we have a component just for analyzing the PDF and the chatting PDF. Now, most of you can think that these two applications, I mean, these two features, many applications are available on the internet. But here is the catch. When you try to upload a PDF, suppose here I'm trying to upload a PDF, which I think, yeah, it is, you can see that quantum bilinear interpolation algorithms, and I'm just clicking analyze, and it might take time to process the large PDF at its size is around 5000 KB. So after summarizing the entire PDF using AI, the PDF is loaded to the AI bot that is present inside the PencilAI document chat. Yes, as you can see, the PDF has been processed successfully by the AI, and the AI bot is ready to answer your questions. So now, first thing what we can do is actually let's ask here. There is a question called "What are the main topics covered in the document?" And here you go with the response. And as you can see, this has generated a response. So you can see the document library covers quantum bilinear interpolation algorithms based on geometric centers and some of the important points to be noted. And even if you want to test it further, because it is just a question and answer, you can also test it. Let me say, yeah, what are quantum arithmetic operations? Now let's copy this phrase, and I'm gonna ask what are quantum arithmetic operations. So it is again analyzing the complete PDF to give the accurate answer. Now, here's what we need to discuss once, because what makes this application unique in this kind of PDF generation is this AI model uses first principles thinking. And if anyone of you don't know about the first principles thinking, it's basically dividing the given concept into its core fundamentals, so that each and every important fundamental concept is easily analyzed and understood by us so that we can get a clarity of the complete topic that we are learning. And according to the principle, it summarizes the complete PDF to you and can answer any type of the question related to the topic. Now, the unique feature in this application, in this specific page, if you want to talk, is you can export the chart. Because what happens is the summary that you can generate using AI can be done any AI tool. It might be ChatGPT, it might be Gemini. Any AI tool can get the summary of the PDF that you have uploaded. But what happens is when we have an actual question that we need to answer, that we need to get answer from the AI tool, sometimes what we get is not related to the topic, or sometimes the answer we get might be disappeared from the chat, that these problems might be happening. So what happens when in this application you can download the chat that you have interacted with the application. It might be the question answers that you have got, it might be the doubts that you have asked. So if you are preparing for any exam and you have doubts to answer, this specific PDF that you have interacted with the AI chatbot helps you very well, so that you can revise the important concepts in the short term very well. And moving on to the next one, which is actually the AI study guide. So the real unique feature that I have integrated, it is obviously the agentic feature, which is trending right now, is the voice agent feature that I have integrated. Because as you can see on the screen, we have an upload PDF option, and here, as you can see, we have an AI chatbot, which is obviously the voice agentic feature. Ask a doodle, and doodle in pencil is obviously your personal mentor, which can help you learn anything on your uploaded PDF rather than the text that we have discussed on the starting. So now I'm uploading a PDF. Let's say I'm uploading this supercomputers. Yeah, so supercomputers. I have uploaded the PDF of supercomputers, and when you click on Ask Google, you need to accept the terms. And when you click on this, so just allow the permissions. And before, a small disclaimer that I want to give to you all is, whenever you try to use this agentic application in a device which has no support of microphone or speaker, I recommend you to don't use this in that devices. It is highly recommended to use these kind of agentic applications in mobile phones so that you can have the access of both microphone and speaker. So first, I will just allow the permissions that the app is asking. Hey there. Welcome. I'm Doodle from PencilAI. What do you learn today? I have uploaded a supercomputer's PDF. Can you summarize it for me? I can certainly summarize the supercomputer PDF for you. To give you the best summary, could you please tell me the name of the document or any other details that might help you locate it quickly? The document is supercomputers PDF. Okay, I will summarize the document titled Supercomputers PDF for you. After reviewing the document, would you like a general overview? Or would you prefer a summary focused on a specific aspect, like its architecture or applications? Just give me the general overview of what the PDF has. All right, I'll provide a general overview of the supercomputer PDF for you. The document appears to be an overview of supercomputers, discussing their architecture, applications, and significance in modern research and technology. It highlights their ability to perform complex calculations and simulations, which are crucial in fields like climate modeling, drug discovery, and materials science. The PDF also touches upon the challenges of building and maintaining these powerful machines, including energy consumption and cooling requirements. Thank you. So, as you can see, what just happened is the application behind the agent to the PDF that we have uploaded. It sends the PDF to the AI agent, and here the AI agent understands the complete document by analyzing and summarizing the content so that it acts as a well-defined teacher which can actually answer all of your questions regarding the PDF. And it is and if you want some more extra in this, you read the PDF once you get any doubt. You can ask a specific topic to the AI agent that it has asked you. Just like, do you have any specific topic that I need to helping you? And so that you can even answer, you can get the answer of whatever you want. So this is what I think the main focus of the application to be, as Moreover, we need every time we need to go to the chat GPT, Gemini, or other AI tools just for reading the text phrases. It is more better to get a voice-based mentoring, which can help us a lot. And as you also saw how you can interact with the PDF in the chat feature that I have shown in the application, these applications are mostly helpful to a student while preparing for their exams or decoding any of the topic that they need to learn. This is very helpful, and I'll be expecting the feedback from even you of what do you think and what features should be even implemented more to help students. And comment down below what you think about this video, and even you can send me a personalized email mentioning the feedbacks of the application, and any improvements that we need to do also can be accepted through emails. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like the video.